For this row, look at this, America. You put that thing in there. Look at this. Oh, some dark smoke. Dark smoke. It's hot. It's hot. Look at this, America.
Open?
No, it's not. It's easy to open.
Why are you recording me?
Because this is our episode.
Oh, hey guys.
Welcome to another episode. We're mixing and matching. So here, undo the bottom one. First you undo the bottom one. Okay. Okay. Press it with your foot like this, like this. Oh no, let go. Yeah. There you go. Now you press this one.
Here, I'll hold it.
Look at them. They're tearing apart the. Here, I got you.
Here, I got it.
I got it. Go. Go. I got you.
No.
They're tearing apart the gates and everything.
No, do that one. We're gonna fix that one.
Yeah, we're gonna fix this one.
You have to do it quicker.
Wait.
Put it in. Ivan is eating. And Alex. Look at them. They already broke this fence, dude. Look at them. Fatties. Look at these guys. Our fire's out already. Huh? Yeah, it's over there. It's on that side. No, it's on that side. Just grab it. Hungry goats. It closely. Hold the bucket tightly toward. No, the bottom of the bucket. Hold it towards this. Okay, like no, like this, like that. 2 hands on the bottom. Yeah. So like this. Stays like that. I'm gonna fix it right now once and for all. Okay, so when I push this through, you feel it with your hand right there, right? And then you put it through the hole back to me, through this one here.
Don't like.
Yeah, I got you. You just bend it and put it in here. You're gonna have to either find it with your eyes or your hand, but your hand is gonna be a while. See, you gotta go there. See where it's at. Yep, right through. Yep, you got it. You gotta push it in, push it through. Okay, hold the bucket. Okay, right there. Okay, we got this. So we'll put 2 more. We'll put 1 more on the bottom right here. They're already done with it. Here, leave it alone. Go ahead and put this through for me. There you go. Okay, hold on. Go through here. So we're repairing the goats' feed buckets. Why so close? Don't do it so close. We're repairing those 2 fatties.
Here's Ivan.
Buckets. Yeah, don't scrape that with the GoPro, buddy.
And then there's.
This is Ivan. That's Alex. Yeah,
That's
they're already
Alex.
done. They're done already. Okay,
I know.
so once we're done repairing this, we're gonna go film the Honda Civic that we revealed yesterday. We just wanted to take you guys along with our on our adventure of the goat repair food bucket, whatever. All right, we'll see you in a minute. We have to take off this tape that was holding the windshield in case you have to drive. So go careful like a sticker. There you go. Hey guys, back again with another video. We just started the Civic. Started off like, took a second to start. So we started it. I mean, obviously the engine, something's going on with the engine. It's skipping a beat. It was smoking really bad. See? Come closer. So the people. skipping a beat. Bring the GoPro closer. See how it's shaking? It's skipping a beat, and whenever I try to drive it, it dies. I don't know if the clutch is bad. I mean, it was driving. The clutch wouldn't have anything to do with skipping a beat. So something's going on with the fuel system, or we're gonna have to pull the plugs and see, so that way we don't just repair this car for no reason, you know. So we're gonna try to move it right now. We'll try to move it right now. You can stay like that. You can keep recording. No, you're good. I'm gonna try to move it. Is it dying like that? It was charged up. Let me try it, because I gotta move it without these wires. My cameraman is not me, so it's running good, skipping a beat. We're gonna try to move it. Every time I would try to put on first or reverse or first or whatever, it would die. So right now we're gonna try to move it into place where we can work on it, take it apart. Because we're gonna have to work on this, take apart the body and the engine. So we're gonna try to do that right now. Just bear with us. Try this. That guy trying to get in the car. So just film in the front. No, but you don't need to go. Just close the door, because every time you open that door, many times it breaks the fender. So close the door and don't move. Close the door and don't get in there. Come on, get along. Mr. Big sitting straight in a Honda Civic. Look at this. I'm touching. So it's running. Check engine's on, it's skipping. We're gonna figure it out. So let's move it into place and work on it over there. So we're gonna try to unplug each one and see what's happening. Plug this back in. Well, this is working. Same thing. So they're all working. I just don't know why it's. That was choking. It wasn't doing that before. Could be just some sensor, I think. Might be just some sensor. Up, it just does. That's it. Okay, so try to give it some gas and it just died. So, and it's on a hot engine. I don't know if this, maybe it's a throttle body that's stuck. So we're gonna have to take it apart and check it out. So we're gonna let the engine cool down. It's just died up, died again, died down, died up, died. We shut it off, whatever. It's not performing the way it's supposed to. We're gonna let it cool down, take apart the front end, and deal with the engine. You know, hopefully tomorrow we can get a tool and diagnose it. You know, see what check engine light. Maybe it's a sensor. Could be just a sensor. I really hope it is, so we can basically maybe we can do like a head rebuild in frame, so we don't have to take it out. If we have to take it out, we can take it out and change the clutch and all that. Just have a, you know, get this engine in the right way. But right now we're just gonna take down the front end and go from there. So as I was saying earlier about our project, here, follow me. Follow me. Take that in your hands. Your hands are clean, right? Take that. Do this. My forehead. My eyes. Thoroughly, more to my mouth. Okay, you did it but half. Anyway, how you doing, America? So as I was saying, this is my point about Japanese cars versus American. Nothing against American cars. Lighting, okay. Man, lighting is good. It's just the camera, man. Okay, as I was saying, my point about Japanese versus American cars. American cars are good. Ford, Chevy started making really good cars, but this assembly of this car, as you can see so far, we took off the bumper, we took off the headlights, we're gonna take off the fender, we're gonna take off the whole front end with these, not with these, even with those 10 long, 10 short millimeter, 12 long, and then also a Phillips screwdriver impact. That's it. So you got 3 of these and Phillips screwdriver. Whole front end comes off. What is it?
That's GMC. Let's go compare.
We're not gonna work. You needed 3 sets of tools. 3 sets of tools. It's like German and European and everything put together. All the cars. So that's all the kinds. Yeah. Look at the GMC. Look at these parts. Yep. Well, no, that's brackets, but all these kind, small, 7/8, 1/4, stuff like that. So, if you're a car guy and you're watching, you know what I'm talking about. But I'm telling this to people that didn't know. I'm not trying to be a smart. Just saying, like, it's really complicated. But if you're a car guy, you know what I'm talking about. So, let's go take off the fender. Like I said before, we're taking off the fender. This one got bent pretty bad, so I'm gonna take it off. It's supposed to be another bracket right here. Oops, spinning.
Oh, there's timber. Mom,
So what?
look.
She's fine. She's hunting.
No, look, she's on the way to the work site.
She's just fine. These things are dead. There's one right here. I know that for sure. Right here. Check it out. See that one? It's just the door's getting scratched. See if we keep on going like this. See this guy right here? Let's get this. We'll get that out. Man, it's getting scraped. There was body work already done on it. You guys check it out. Right here. The door was bondoed. You can see the soft corner. The quarter panel was bondoed. It's not straight at all. See that? You can hear it. You can hear that. It's really thick. I can feel it inside here. Look. So bondoed right here. You can see the scratches, and then it was painted. This quarter panel was either changed or bondoed. Just the dents were repaired. So, but enough about that. No, give me a screwdriver right here, or that flat, the clip remover. Quick. This is the easiest way. Take these things apart. Hold the fender, just like that, right there, right there. It's gotta be 2 screws. This is Civic, bro. This is a 5-year-old takes it apart with closed eyes. That's how simple it is. Take it, put it on the grass. Like if you have a Honda Civic, a 5-year-old will take it apart with closed eyes. Look at it. Simple, easy, quick. So much progress in 30 minutes.
A 5-year-old?
Hey, redneck. It's a, hey, redneck, hey, you know what it is? It's a redneck pizza delivery guy. Yeah. His name's Jeffrey. See how they fixed this? It was hidden here in the back.
Okay, somebody ate Snickers.
Here, move.
What is on?
Redneck. Shoulder.
I told you that's a pizza delivery guy. Ain't no little Italy for you. Okay, so we'll leave this open.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, we're back. We took apart the front end on the Civic. Trunk had a bunch of stuff in it. Found a new brake rotor and brakes for one wheel, one side. We're gonna take apart the rear bumper tomorrow and try to work on see what we can find on the engine. Check engine light is on, so that's good. We're gonna try to get it diagnosed. If it's a sensor, then it's good. If not, we'll test out the pressure and see what's wrong with it. Hopefully we don't have to take it apart, because I would rather not. And if we do, then we will. So you saw that front end. We took it all apart, get rid of that, assess the damage. Everything's good, just the way I hope to be, and we'll make it a project. Maybe, we'll see. And if you guys new to the channel, subscribe, like, and share. Give a thumbs up, comment below. We'll leave the links. I think we have to leave the link today for someone. No, that was for the windshield guy. We will leave everything, all the information below in a description. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.